Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I unbox my ring lights. This is it. So I'm going to be unboxing this ring light. If that is something you're interested in, keep watching. Before now, I've been using the natural light, that is the sun. Like right now, I'm using the natural light to film. I'm right behind my window with some, I don't have a tripod. I just improvise, and yeah, I use the natural light to film. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So I got this ring light from Jumia. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. You can check it out. It's 18 inches. And it came in this package. So I'm just going to open it to see what's inside. So this is the tripod stand. Wow, I don't know how to do this. And these are the screw. I don't know how to set this. So this is the tripod stand. It's very long. It's long, so I'm just going to tighten it here so that it can. Still shaking. I'm tightening it down. See how firm it is. The ring lights came in this box, so let's check out what we have inside this bag. This is a two-side mirror. I love it, and it's so clear. Let's check out for other things. This is the battery pack. And this is the battery for the ring light that I can use to power the ring light. It's two. It came with two battery packs. And it's two battery. This is another battery. This is another battery. And then it came with battery pack charger that I can use to charge the batteries. I think this is how it is placed. I don't know how to place it. I think I'm going to check that out later. So this is the plug, the battery plug. It came with 2 battery pack charger. Wow, that's awesome. 2 battery pack chargers. So this, okay, it came with the charger that I can use to charge the ring light. The ring light is rechargeable. You can use the battery without light. That is when you don't have light. So that's one of the reasons I bought the rechargeable ring light. So I can use this one to charge it when I have power. So let's unveil. So this is my 18 inches ring light. This is actually the new model. I bought one before. The one I bought, I don't know, it was not rechargeable actually, so I returned it. Now I decided to get the new model of the ring light. This is the phone holder where you can place your phone. This is where I can place my phone. This is the lid where I can fix the ring light to the tripod. So that's all we have inside the bag. So watch me as I fix the ring light on the tripod. You can see now that the ring light is, the tripod is very long. So I'm just going to fix the ring lights right here. Let me take it down a little so that you can see it, see what I'm doing. This is hard work. So I'm going to make sure that it's very tight now. The ring light is bendable. Oh, you can bend it. Okay. So you can bend it to suit how you want it to look like. I'm just going to remove this now. Make sure that this one is very tight. If not, your phone will just fall off while filming. So the space for the mirror, you can just fix the mirror here. I'm just going to fix the batteries now. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this is how to, okay. Can you see that? Right now it's about to rain. You can see why I needed a ring light. The weather has suddenly changed and everywhere looks so dark. I actually got this ring light to increase my lighting and make my videos come out well. I'm just going to put on the ring light again so you see how it looks like on me. Okay, so Oh, see, I think this is the one. Ooh. This is the highest for the one, or the yellow filter. This is the highest, and this is the white. The white. This is the highest for the white. So I'm going to reduce it down. You can see the difference. This is the lowest for the white. So this is the warm filter. This is the yellow one. This is the lowest. Okay, this is the lowest for the yellow filter. Hi, welcome back to my channel. So let me know in the comment section which one is preferred. I mean, which one looks good on me, or which one you actually like. I think this one is quite cool. Yeah, both okay. I'm so excited about this ring light because it's going to increase my lighting. When we started, everywhere was bright, but now everywhere is so dark. I'm going to swap right now. You see how everywhere is. You can see the difference. So that's all about my unboxing video. This ring light is 18 inches and is the new model. I got it from Jumia, and I'm going to drop the link in the description box in case you want to check them out. Filming is about to get better days ahead. So please subscribe to my channel to help me grow here. Comment on my videos, like and share them with your family. I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.